Hi, this short video will show you how to connect your brand new chatbot to your Facebook page. I'm starting in my chatbot's dashboard, click in my chatbot name, and then go into Settings, Channels. Click in the gear icon in the Facebook tile, opens this Facebook settings window. When you do it for the very first time, you will have to authenticate with Facebook. Click this button, select your profile, and pay attention to choose all pages that you would like ActiveChat to access. Currently, I need only this page, my first chatbot page. You'll be able to change the settings later. Click Done. OK. And you can see the list of your pages here. Now all you have to do is click Connect. And the chatbot is connected. You can test it immediately on Facebook. Click in Get Started. In case you don't see some of your pages here, just click Refresh to refresh the list of the pages. And if that doesn't help, please make sure that you provide access to ActiveChat for these pages. Open Facebook, choose Settings and Business Integrations. Then find ActiveChat application and click View and Edit. And in the Manage Your Pages and Manage and Access Conversations in Messenger, make sure that you tick the checkboxes for every page that you want ActiveChat to access. Hope that helps, and see you soon in the next video of our onboarding series. Take care.